TikTok. But tired for telling us say, you see when me make once me make $500 on the app, me don't really care about it because $500 enough money and we put that whole 500 in my saving and the next day. Once we make 5 bills, me alright, I be gone. So I don't really care who the man or who the girl or whoever want gift. I don't really argue about that. But when I see like she had show shades just because she had get gift now, that's when I make the TikTok post and me say, who remember that post that I make like me? I say, me take the money, me take the lion and the universe money and me go give me man, me go give me Yankee man. Me make one video and post it and everybody and that laugh and thing. But a lot of people are saying, be careful because this is the reason why man kill woman and them something there. But tell me the truth, you blame me for posting and show shades. Then again, I can't stop you from give who you want give. But it's clear in everybody's eyes that you're going for everybody who I don't speak with. Why you don't go give Maya? Why you don't go pour Miss Triple, Kavi, Mackerel? There's so many other people on the app where you can show love. I'm not telling you who for show love, but as a Jamaican to a Jamaican, it's clear that you're only going for people who I have beef with. I don't know if you have a disease you want to give everybody. I don't know if you want everybody with me and them in a things with beef with. I don't know why you aim or why your motto or why you try go for, but me never fall for it. And I don't tell you already, a pretty boy be like my man them slim and tall, and I can blow them down. Yeah, them their mind, touch the man. But still never paid no mind. Then when done now, the man gone for vacation with Khandy. Blood clot. You know why I don't give a fuck about this? And me nah look no friend from the girl because I wanna love to screen record. And one of the screen record I would like to put it out there. Stop! What is wrong with you? Are you crazy? Okay, you listen, you're not going to back answer me. You're paying rent in here? You're not going to talk back after me. You hear what I said? Okay. See the man, you know, the man gone on vacation with Khandy. As me I said, me now look no friend from the girl, but truth is truth. I personally believe that. I don't want everybody to say Vani refuse the man, because I don't want to put that picture there out there. I don't want the man a police, you know, man. I make the man come lock me up, you know. Me I stay far. Me I stay far. Listen, and I true the man at this and true the man at that make me I stay far car and I lie. Me I tell her, me not tell a lie, pa, you say you can't count sue me for definition of character or whatever. But I'm saying that, look, if the man and such woman gone abroad, what I have to do with me? You see if me and the man did then now, and me and the man lay down together and with it quang, I would have a little thing I go on. And then now him go there with she, me the cash she out. Me that say, alright then me open up my feelings. But we didn't have no form of relationship. We weren't dating. So me that say, why the big deal everybody I put my name? We can't say the man, we can't just have on the headline without writing my name, say Ivany gift and so what is the definition? We can't have on the name, but we don't have to put my name above it and get me involved. Because really actually I don't want to get involved. But me I say, if she go out with the man, it don't have nothing to do with me because me and the man never there. Me and the man never there. Oh, you know, say him not pay she 5,000 US for go link. Be real. Cause which young girl nowadays I took up themselves from Jamaica go meet man. Cause fly can they fly out. Which young girl nowadays I go, yeah, but young girls still do it. But which righted young girl I got take up themselves, left Jamaica go meet man in a Panama and all these places without know so them I get a good money in them hand. You think say it's just a free vacation unless she don't have no sense. You think say if she get up and go to Panama or whatever country them there, she just go there and go up on a vacation and lay up on the beach and drink rum and eat and the man the girl and look at money for come back her. She have to get like all her 15,000 or 20,000 or blood clot 3,000. Money have to run. Nobody now left them here go for so free. And me now gonna tell no lie. If the man was my type, wish I could have seen her be rolling now. Constant touring now. Hello. Let me tell you something, girl. If that man was my type, maybe just a little bit of brown with a little bit of slimness and cute, and me can blow and go so baby girl, you wish I could have seen how I rolling now from state to state now. But God, like Hey, when I say I leave Ice and Louis, probably Louis I forgot daycare Ice because I'm gone. Yeah, me da gone too. Me gone on a plane. Eh? And yes, if I have money, of course me da gone. But me just that type of person is, no matter how nice you be, no matter how much money you have, if I just not, if me just feel like me ain't not click, me just not click, bro. Enough money man look me. Enough money man look me and me not pay them no mind because you're not my type and you're not gonna come. Me ain't not go there and deep down me know so me no want you. And remember your ugly is not my type, you know. And me go there with one next man now and I hide and a text man and you come see that and kill me.